All right, so in this lecture, I want to go over how you enter Craigslist. So this is just a small point I want to add on things you need to be doing to not get flagged. So a lot of people, will open up their browser like this, incognito mode, of course, and then you type in, Craigslist.org, right? And that's how people enter Craigslist. What you want to do instead is sort of enter Craigslist from a reliable place or like an accredited place, like a normal place people would be entering from, meaning that you don't want to enter it like that, but to sort of tell Craigslist that you're not a robot or that you're a genuine person. What helps is you go to Google first and then type in Craigslist and then enter Craigslist this way, right? Or you can go to Yahoo, right, and type in Craigslist and enter Craigslist this way. So basically not typing in www.craigslist.org, but instead typing in Craigslist into Google or Yahoo or Bing, wherever, and then clicking on the link here. Again, it's a cookies thing. It tells Craigslist that you're coming from Yahoo or that you're coming from Google. You're not coming from just typing it in the search bar. So it's going to make you look a lot better when you enter the Craigslist site. Okay, but that's just another one of these precautions and things that you want to be doing to not get flagged. All right, so that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.